Favorite examples of technical communication is the Berkshire Hathaway website. So the Berkshire Hathaway website is weird. It is strange, especially to those of us that see a lot of modern websites and say, oh, what goes on a website? Yeah, it's a menu at the top. It's usually a hero image spanning across the whole middle of the thing. But this website has hyperlinks all the way through. It's got 2 columns, which is super weird. The navigation doesn't necessarily make a whole lot of sense to us. And the goal of this, to me, is to kind of remind myself that I am not the target audience of everything I build, right? That when I look at this website, or when I have students look at this website, I want them to see it and say, ugh, this is disgusting. This is bad. I don't like this. I think this is poorly designed. And when you get to that goal of like, what does poorly designed mean? The Berkshire Hathaway website is perfectly designed for the people that it's made for, right? It's made for people that want a website that looks like it was made in 1980, right? Or not in 1992, 1980. People that really want something that looks like it is cheap, or that hasn't had a lot of time invested into it, right? But even all of that aside, I stand by the fact that it reminds me that it is not for me. And I think when I show it to students, I want them to remember that websites sometimes are not for them, and that's okay, and that we shouldn't necessarily critique websites based on what we want to see or on the conventions that we enjoy, but on what a potential audience might enjoy. And that is technical communication, right? That is rhetoric, that is design, and all of those things to me come together with that website.